It has been a busy couple of weeks. Wow. We went from being all on our own from Venice all the way down to Split. After a day or two in Split, we picked up our friends, the Coopers, who were visiting from Hawaii. They have 2 boys. And we had a great time with them on board. They had never been on Hangtime before. They had never really experienced the cruiser lifestyle. So it was really cool to show them a bit of our former life. We had 4 or 5 days with them. So we took them from Split and we went out to Viz and we circled around Viz. We visited a beautiful bay.
Looks like we're taking over the bay. We got the paddle boards and TZ out there. Hey Char, look at Mom go. Look at her in the background. Killed it out there. Killed it. Oh, we'll just get a quick pic here. Oh, this is how we do it on Hangtime.
How are they, Becca?
Delicious. Oh my gosh.
What do you think, Ryan?
Oh, Cinnabrat does it again. Very good.
Very, very good.
Delicious. Look at that. Gooey gooey.
Very delicious.
Can't hit it. I think we just found the perfect little boat for Ruby to get around to shore and cruise. Take a look. Rubes, it's a perfect boat for you, yes? Okay, let's go swim to shore, okay? We're gonna go all the way down there to the beach. Line number 1, untying. Okay, throw it in. Nice. All right.
It's been awesome to hang out with the cooks and check out some of the best destinations in the world. It's pretty amazing. Clear waters, good people.
Any surprises about boat life or Hangtime?
Just how much Brad knows how to fix. Surprised Brad can fix so many things. I didn't realize that he knew his way around a wrench so well.
So many. I love it. Like just a cool little town to been able to check out that we can't get to, and cruise ships and the clear water. It's been amazing. So,
Yeah, I mean, look around.
yeah. I mean, the memories, the family memories we made are incredible.
kids are having a bit of fun.
Kids are having a blast.
It's just a little break. Got it right? Okay.
Highlights today would be enjoying all the stuff on the water today, the water sports. Going to that secret beach that we went to today was pretty amazing. And ending the cribbage day on a good note and beating Brad was definitely a good high on the day.
I'm getting mixed reviews on what happened with this cribbage game today. I'm confused.
Several games happened, but the one that counted was the one at the end.
Roger that. Okay.
No lows today. The highs were swimming through that grotto into the secret beach, which was really cool, and also standing up on a paddleboard for the first time today. It's pretty cool. Yay! So, which is awesome.
No lows here, I don't think. The Hornets were annoying, I agree, but no lows. I think it was a high that Ryan bought lunch today. I thought that was great, especially and Becca at a really nice restaurant that we ran into in that town. And honestly, I thought that sail at sunset was real nice. Pretty much. Just like chill, glassy. It was good.
I'd say that I had some lows.
Oh, tell us more.
So I'd say the first meeting card of a collective low, like the game that we just lost.
Yeah,
that really brought down the mental, you know.
You are pretty sweaty, actually, now that you mention it.
And then not being able to scuba for very long.
Why not?
Why not?
Because I just got water in my ear like immediately. It wasn't very good.
You could hit us with a high.
Probably just hanging out with friends. That'd be a low if I tried it.
Oh, it's killing me.
Hello! Come on.
Your glasses.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you have to get the license, but then you can privately brand it, you know.
Yeah, we can't do privately. Just Canada.
Oh,
Really?
You can grow it, but you can't sell it.
So what grade are you girls going into? Where are you guys
this paper towel?
When are you guys all high school?
Yeah, I'm going in grade 11.
Going in grade 11? Nice.
So
Grade
not
9?
high school. No,
You
not
guys not high school in Canada?
No.
Okay.
Well, at some places, like in Nova Scotia, grade 9 is at most schools. Grade 9's in high school. Use it for the burger.
Should we get one of those?
Look at the size of it.
Char said he wouldn't be against trading in Hangtime for this.
No?
They got security cameras on there too.
Dude, we have come on Hangtime, dude. Just has to install them.
$200, Charlie, to build this.
Cooper's visit was overlapping with the visit of some other friends who were visiting from Prince Edward Island, the PEI crew. So they arrived and they rented a villa for the first few nights. It's a bit of a long trip, so they stay in the villa, kind of shake the jet lag, enjoy Croatia a little bit before they picked up their boat. So we all stopped in on Hangtime. We were able to anchor right in the bay, right in front of their villa, which was so cool. Went up, we had a swim, got reacquainted, introduced everyone, and then we made our way into Troger where we dropped the Coopers off. The Coopers got off safely, took their flight back to Hawaii. We kind of reprovisioned the boat, got everything ready, and we headed back out to the villa on Brock. We anchored for the night out in front. We enjoyed the PEI crew for a beautiful dinner, a sunset, a really fun night. And then the following morning, they went back to Split to grab their boat, and then we all reconnected in Var. This is the unglamorous side of sailing. The Coopers left very early this morning, so we're trying to turn over the boat. So all kinds of chores, 6 loads of laundry, more provisioning, cleaning. I just hauled 70 pounds of groceries home, 1.5 miles. How'd it look over there?
It is so gorgeous. The town's amazing in the morning.
What's the town?
Here. Just the old town. Walking through in the morning, there's not many people there. It's a lot cooler.
What's the town?
Oh, where are we? Troger.
Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, I showed you the fruit market. Took a few videos of that place. It was amazing. A huge fruit market. Like it's worth the walk over just to see it again.
Well, we could probably use more, and these boys could chip in, carry some stuff home.
Yeah.
So
It's a good walk over there. With nobody beside us, we can actually pull right next to it in the tender if we wanted to. We can go that way.
Yeah, anyway, turn the boat over and then go back out and meet the PEI crew. Do it all over again. But we'll have a little more space on our boat this time because they've got their own big old fat cat for the week.
We got these amazing sausages. I got some for Matt and them too.
Oh, cute. Okay.
Right, so there's 3 packs of those. We have, this is ribeye.
Yep.
3 beautiful ribeyes. I got a whole fillet. Like, what's that? 2.5 pound fillet. And then
More sausages.
3 sets of these sausages.
Yeah.
And then a kilo, maybe 2 kilos of chicken. A beautiful chicken breast. And then 40 eggs. And a bunch of tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, grapes, cantaloupe, lemons, limes, peaches, cherries. Yeah. And I could have kept going. I had to stop. It's hard
Carry
to.
it all home.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Croatia 2025.
Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me.
We are in Var, Croatia. It's absolutely beautiful.
Oh, Matt, take a look, buddy. Look, how fast is he going?
Somebody help me get
We had another big day on Hangtime today. Our friends picked up their charter boat, so we helped them with bags and provisioning. Took some of their crew out here with us to wait for them in VAR, and just getting ready to go to bed. And again, here's this storm. There's supposed to be some wind up to 20 knots, but we hit 47 knots of wind. It's just howling out there. So again, we're on a ball and we're safe, and it's not like it was the last time where we had a lee shore behind us. We just have wide open ocean maybe for 3 miles if we were to ever come loose, but it's not fun. We're just lashing down the sails again. It's loud, it's scary. It's not exactly where you want to be at 11 o'clock at night when you're ready for bed. The highs and the lows of sailing. Here we are.
Pretty good spot again. Rock and rolling. I wouldn't want to be on our anchor in a little bay there that's flying through with a couple stern ties. So
Truly, we're better than we were last time. We don't have a shore behind us 15 feet away. We have open ocean, but
oh, absolutely.
still.
It's unbelievable how protected we are over the hill. All the trees right in front of us. We're like 150 feet to shore, and we're still getting this kind of wind on us. Like
Think
if
of
we
the
were
guys over in that anchorage.
oh, terrible.
Yeah,
Like if we were another 200 feet out or something like that, we'd have like 2-foot swell right now.
on anchor instead
anchor.
of on that mooring wall.
These are brand new mooring walls, so we're pretty lucky to be on them here.
What's that one?
Well, it's going to be tough for others to get back to their boats on the tender. A little gnarly.
What's that gust?
It's right now, it's 27, so it's like 35 to 40. There's a sailboat coming into harbor tonight. He's probably looking to go straight to the docks or something. I'm sure not having a good night out there. And there's a wedding on right behind in 50 knots of wind.
So when there's a wind coming from the north, this mountain chain blocks it, and then you have clouds rolling over, and when they're rolling over, they start to blow in not constantly, but in waves.
Yeah.
And that's why this wind is bad.
It's unique to here.
Yeah.
It's really
No.
all year.
Winter is very bad.
Oh,
Usually it blows in the winter as heavy that all traffic stops.
Oh wow.
We
Commercial
have that
traffic.
wind like maybe 4 or 5 days per year.
and what's it called, the wind?
Bura.
Okay, so someone else said he named it something else.
Yeah, so you have Bura,
Yeah,
that is southeast wind.
yeah.
That's most aggressive. And for sailors, you have Yugo.
Okay.
Yugo is Bura is northeast. Yugo is southeast wind, and for sailors, Yugo is the most complicated one.
Okay, southeast winds.
Yeah.
Because why, harder to predict or less protection?
Currents are very complicated, and if you're not protected, so this port is not protected from Yugo.
Okay.
Bura is okay.
Yeah.
But when it's if it's strong Yugo like Bura last night, we closed the port. It happens.
Cool. Thank you.
I know, but this kiter is inexperienced, so they're stopped right in front of me.
Here comes the crew. It's awesome. So what are you guys doing, Whibbit or beach? That. You guys can handle that? Fly by.
Oops.
She won't leave until you go.
Really?
Come on.
I'm coming.
Hello everybody. We're sitting here in a beautiful bay on the east side of Bar. We went in last night. We didn't see it. We went in last night. There's kind of a river mouth that goes all the way in, and the town is built up on both sides of it. Really super cute, local, quiet. It was actually fairly cool last night, so perfect temps to go in and grab a drink with my wife. We are hanging out here this morning with another cat, a bunch of friends that joined us. I'm going to try to get the kids up this morning to Whibbit, E-foil, maybe pull the supboards around and do a bike ride. And if we get 2 of 4, we're doing pretty good. So let's see how it goes this morning. But it's gorgeous here. Loving it.
Ben, you're an animal.
I just have it right over top of the 2 windows.
It's a tug of war. It's you guys versus a 25-ton vessel, and you're winning.
Happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day. Do we have a word?
Closest to a Caesar you can get right here. Amazing. I mean, look at this backdrop for Canada Day. Ruby is dying to see this sub bunker.
I don't think you need your goggles. Whatever.
We don't need our goggles.
No, I don't think so.
It's gonna be a cool place to swim.
I'll just throw a play.
Hey, where are we going?
I have no idea. I don't know. Oh, Holly, your water tastes too small.
Hey Ben, where are we going? Ben, where are we going?
World War II sub bunker.
That's where we're going.
After World War II. They built it after. This is the Cold War sub bunker. Yugoslavia built this up.
Going down the chain.
We met friends yesterday from Slavia, didn't we?
We can go to depth sounder on it, but we can probably tell how deep it is. Pretty good jumping point off the top, guys.
Off the top?
Are you jumping off the top? That's where you're going? So guys, these are tunnels that go from here to other places.
Do you think we can go?
Yeah, we can go in there.
You can go in?
Gosh, should we go in?
There's tunnels all through this area.
Let's go. Can we go?
Yeah, gosh, should we go in?
That's terrifying. Yeah, can you drop us off there? We can jump off.
This area of the world is saturated with military history, from ancient Greeks to as recently as 1991, when Croatia gained independence from the Republic of Yugoslavia. Much of the infrastructure, particularly from the Cold War, is still intact, and after we all visited the submarine pen, the kids had a large adventure exploring tunnels, barracks, and armories on the island of Viz.
Guys, you want to take the camera with you when you go in?
Yeah. Whoop. Molly. Shoot. Whoa. Holy crap, this is... Stop screaming.
Molly, you just freaked me out there, girl. So glad you were here because I could not go over there. Yeah. For real.
In front, go in front. I need to record.
I'm scared, Ben.
Fine.
Guys, what if there's a...
We need Lily, we need you. Because we can't see.
Please go back.
No.
What if there's sand? Oh my god, that goes really far. So, oh my God.
Oh, that's so sick. Lily, come forward. Lily. Yo, guys, look at this. This led to the outside. This is the place we were gonna go to.
Oh, this is how the Brad wants to do.
Bro, we came out of it.
Oh wait, that's really high.
Look at this pickup service for breakfast. That's all we do is we talk about food every day. Okay, we were just at Mamma Mia Beach, and if you start digging underneath the rocks, you actually start finding a little bit of sea glass. And it actually does get a little addictive. Might have stayed there an extra 10 minutes, and... Abby, this is for you. There's our prize right there. It's not a bad find on Mamma Mia Beach in Croatia. A little guard dog right there, Rubes. Ruby.
What happened to the Brit?
I don't know.
Oh.
Might have got busted. I had to try it. It looks so good right there. Lovely little morning in town here. In Komica.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, so this morning we'll probably come back in, waiting on these croissants that are supposed to be amazing here at the bakery. Take a little trash, and we'll head off to Bar, the outer islands there. Go play for a while, get some water sports going today. It's another sunny day, like every day here in Croatia.
Every day.
It's gorgeous. And then maybe Starigrad tonight. We keep passing by this place, but maybe we can find the time to get in there tonight. And then our friends leave tomorrow, and we'll start making our way south.
We had a week with the Coopers when they stayed on board with us, the 4 of them, and now the next group has chartered their own boat. So they've been on a 50-foot cat for the past week. It's been amazing having them, 11 people, 4 teenage girls, all in line with Ben and Charlie's age, and the kids are having a blast, and the adults are having a blast too. It's been really good. This is their probably 4th or 5th time buddy boating with us, but it seems like it just keeps getting better.
I guess their 4th time. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah. So like buddy boating when you're sailing in new areas is really cool. It definitely adds to the experience with more people around.
Tying up together, cool anchorages, exploring. The kids are up all night watching horror movies and running back and forth in the tenders and playing in the water. And it's been great.
It's not a bad looking backdrop right there, is it?
It's really nice here.
It's a cool town.
Yeah. And we're off. We'll head south after we say goodbye to them. Make our way to Korčula, Dubrovnik, and then on to Montenegro.
Sound like a bad itinerary there, geez.
We're off.
She's
What is
off.
that?
I mean, that's where she normally stands, right there. You know, she's finally getting back into it. Right, when she gets up front there.
Oh, she's into it. Last night, sitting there watching those swimmers, she was pretty happy.
Yes, yeah. Woo! Okay. What went on?
54. I think I got 4 points actually.
And Brandon had a 24 hand.
Yeah, he came back. He was like all the way down here.
So did he just go to his room? He's gone.
He's gone. Disappeared.
Amazing.
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, it's not a bad backdrop for a game of cribbage here.
How much is a double?